Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and I'm from Denmark, but I also lived in Thailand, China and Ukraine. Right now I live in Copenhagen with my husband Kevin, and we've been married for 8 years, and we are expecting our first baby. We also have a Bengal cat, Aiko, who you see in my upcoming videos. Over the span of a month, I'll be going through my home. I'll be decluttering and creating better organizing solutions where they are needed. As a busy mom-to-be, I'll try my best to be posting at least one video a week every Sunday. Today I'm decluttering my office and you're welcome to join me. You can declutter alongside me, have this video on in the background while you clean, work or cook, or simply relax and watch the process. I start decluttering the giant box with printing samples from my printer. I work as a wedding and portrait photographer, and I also do graphic design. Because of my work, I have a lot of equipment, printing samples and papers that tend to pile up in my office. My goal with decluttering is to slowly narrow things down to only what I truly need. It's not always easy to know what's essential and what I might need later. In this video, I know I'm not decluttering as much as I'd like right away, but it's a process. Some things I still need for now, and some of what I find on my desk later is sentimental items. This is what I declutter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and 17 with all the boxes. 17 items decluttered. I started this channel because I want to support and inspire other women in simplifying motherhood through decluttering and organizing. I wouldn't call myself a minimalist, but I love the minimalist mindset of keeping only what we truly use and need, so we have more time for our family and less to clean up. And as we prepare for this new chapter of parenthood, that feels more important than ever. On this channel, I share my personal decluttering journey, tips and simple systems to help you with simplifying your own home and life, so you can focus on what really matters, your family. I have been on a decluttering journey since 2018, where I got inspired and motivated to declutter and live more simple by Marie Kondo and many YouTube creators that focus on decluttering. I also got motivated by TV shows like Tidying Up, Sparking Joy, Get Organized with the Home Edit, and Hack My Home. Over the years, I've downsized my belongings and moved into a smaller apartment with my husband. these drawings I got from my niece. I will store them away with the other sentimental items. These sentimental items I will be storing in my closet to go through another time. So one flyer decluttered and one pile of business cards, as I will count as one item. Even though I've been decluttering for many years as I start this channel, I'm still learning. I'm not an expert in minimalism or motherhood, but I strive to be intentional about what's in my home. Decluttering isn't a one-time thing. New things always come in, whether it's gifts or purchases or everyday essentials. But by being mindful of what we own and regularly decluttering, we can create a home that feels peaceful, organized, and easy to maintain. If that sounds like something you'd love, subscribe and follow along. Let's explore practical ways to make motherhood simpler, less stressful, and more intentional together. I count all the flyers as one item. This is all my business cards. They will go down to the basement. So 3 decluttered items from the desk, and that makes a total of 20 items decluttered in this video. I hope I can do a little better in the next. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. It really helps support my channel and lets me know if you'd love to see more content like this.